Students, what is water potential? Forget about water potential. What is potential? Potential is the ability to do work, capacity to do work. That is potential. No, what is my potential? My potential to lift 60 kg or 80 kg. That is my potential, my ability to do work. So water potential means the ability of water to do work, right? So highest water potential is 0, we know. Why water potential is negative? So if highest water potential is 0, so suppose water is bind with, suppose I will lock up you, I will bind your hands like this, and I will tell you to do some work. I will bind your legs, I will rope your legs, and I will tell you to do work. Can you do it efficiently? Like that, whenever water is bind with any solid particle like in soil or any mineral or any salt, its water potential declines. So the potential of the pure water is 0, that is the highest. And whenever any particle, any soil or any mineral that is bind to that water, then the potential of water declines, that is negative. That's why water potential is negative.